So here's Payout app. So it's a new app where you can claim class actions and get some cash. This is alternative to Pay Me app and alternative to Settlemate. So as you can see in here, and new trending app. So how it works, just open it out. There is a long onboarding. You just need to do it. You just need to enter which apps you were using during the last period. And then, for example, you see YouTube. And then you can see, okay, claim up to $500. What is this? You need to be US resident under age of 13 at the time and watch child-directed content on YouTube between 2013 and 2020. And if claimant is a minor, parent or legal guardian, must submit, and one claim per settlement class member. So if you fill these requirements, then you just tap get started, and unfortunately you need to upgrade. So some people just upgrade for a week for $10, submit literally like 20 claims, and that's it. So here you see all types of claims in this directory. You can see no proof, and then you can just tap to claim it. All the kind of apps, software, services you used, Western Union, then you can see some of them finished. Cash App, a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, quite cool. And then you have your wallet, and then you have forms. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. And that's just what you're getting. So yeah, that's the idea. And if you want to have unlimited claims, you need to upgrade. So super easy app to get started. Unfortunately, they don't have a free trial. They don't have any referral codes. So you can see here, otherwise I would share with you some promo code. I can't find any yet. And then you see this when you submit the claim, you see estimated payout. Estimated payout is calculated by summing the estimated amounts from all your claim settlements. These amounts are based on the settlement terms and your eligibility. All actual payouts are handled directly by the settlement administrator, not through this app. Payment timing and final amounts may vary based on the settlement process. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. So yeah, that's just what it is. Pretty cool. So try it out.